Good morning everyone. My name is Parinta Bhavnani. I am from BTech CSEDS first year.
And myself, Vibhuti Rase. I'm also from BTech CSEDS first year.
We are from NMIMS Shirpur. This video is regarding object-oriented programming in Java assignment. So we are going to explain the topic polymorphism in Java. What is polymorphism? It means many forms allowing one method or interface to perform different tasks based on the object. Its real life example is when the person behaves differently as a student in college, as a friend with friends, and as a child at home. It is same person with different behavior. Its programming concept is one function name can have different implementation depending on the object type and context.
Why polymorphism matters? Its key benefits are it reduces code complexity and redundancy, improves code reusability across projects, it makes programs flexible and scalable, it supports dynamic behavior in programs, it's easy to maintain, and if we write once, it behaves differently depending upon the object.
There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compile time as well as runtime. Compile time is known as method overloading. It is resolved during compilation. Runtime is known as method overriding. It is resolved during program execution.
Compile time polymorphism, also called as method overloading. Multiple methods have the same name but different parameters. The compiler decides which method to call based on arguments passed. Its rules are number of parameters must differ, type of parameters must differ, order of parameters can differ. Important, return type alone cannot differentiate methods.
Method overloading example, as in this code we can see that class math operation. Math operation is the class name. There are two parameters int a as well as int b. Then we have next as int a, int b and int c. So we have passed even double parameters, and it says same method name which is add is used with different parameters. Compiler selects the correct method at compile time. This demonstrates compile time polymorphism.
Now let's move on to runtime polymorphism. It is also called as method overriding. When a child class provides its own implementation of a method already defined in the parent class, its runtime decision, the method call is decided at runtime, not during compilation. Inheritance requires inheritance relationship between parent and the child classes.
Method overriding example, we have a parent class as animal and it has a method sound. Then we have a child class which is extended from animal and it has a class named dog. It has a method sound again. And we have a main class which is text class.
So now let's differentiate between method overloading and method overriding. In method overloading, polymorphism type is compile time, and here it's runtime. Method name is same, and in method overriding it's also same. Then parameters must be different. In method overriding it must be same. Inheritance needed in overloading it's like no, and in overriding yes. Decision time is compile time, and in overriding it's runtime.
Real world example and benefits. So it is payment system, like same interface, different behavior, credit card payment, UPI payment, net banking payment. Its advantages are code becomes flexible and maintainable, reduces redundancy in code, support dynamic method binding, improves software scalability, makes OOP design powerful. So we have each class implements its own pay method. System automatically chooses the correct method at runtime. Polymorphism is a core pillar of object-oriented programming, enable clean, maintainable and scalable programming.
Thank you.
You.